Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you how to remove SIMPIN from SIM card on this device. So let's just first activate the SIM card, and after that let's just open the settings app, then just scroll down to the privacy section and to the security section. And then see here you'll see that SIM card lock. Now just so we can see that the switcher is turned off, and to remove the SIMPIN we should click here once on the switcher. Then to confirm the changes by enter the currently password, and now we can see that we just remove SIMPIN from our device SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.